Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss skeleton and its functions. What is the skeleton? Look, observe your body. There are certain hard structures are there, and these hard structures are known as bones. Actually, you know well, if you observe your car, your bike, it is made up of only plastic. Outer cover made up of plastic. Can you imagine the plastic cover can run a car? Plastic model can run a vehicle? No. There should be a hard structure there inside. The hard structure which is made up of metals is the framework of the vehicle, chassis of the vehicle. Chassis in vehicle, in trucks, cars, in even in bicycle also. So these are the hard structure bones which form the framework of the body. The framework of the body is called as skeleton. The framework of the body is called as skeleton. Now look, skeleton is made up of number one, bones. Second one, cartilage. Bones and cartilage. And they join with the muscles. That's why are different body parts. Lower jaw can move. Why? Due to muscles. Muscles provide movement to skeleton. So look over here. What are the functions of the skeleton? So look, number one, it provides shape to our body. Different animals having different shapes. Different vehicles having different shapes. Why? Due to framework. So skeleton provides shape to the body. Second, it provides protection to our delicate organs, soft and delicate organs. This is the skull. And skull provides protection. This is the skull, and skull provides protection to the brain. Skull provides protection to the brain. This is our rib cage. Ribs cage, rib cage, and rib cage provide protection to the lungs and heart. Rib cage provide protection to the lungs and heart. Got it? Now look over here. Skeleton along with the muscles, it helps to move our body parts. It helps to move our body parts. Now bones, the long bones, not only all the bones, some bones are the long, and these long bones are hollow. Bones are hollow in nature, and they feel hollow in nature to blood supply, nerve supply. अगर बोन टूटेगी दर्द होगा ना. Why there is pain? Due to it contains nerve supply which give message to our brain. So the bones also filled with a special tissue that is known as bone marrow. Bone filled with a tissue which is known as bone marrow, and bone marrow is a special tissue which produce the blood cells. Blood cells, RBCs, red blood cells. Red blood cells, RBCs, and these RBC responsible to transport our oxygen. in our body, entire body. Now look one another point over here. A newborn baby having about 300 bones. A newborn baby having about 300 bones. But an adult like me, we have only 206 bones. Where the rest of the bones gone? The rest of the bones join with one another. Rest of the bones join one another, fuse together to provide strength to the other bones. So an adult person having how much bones? 206. How many bones? 206. But a newborn baby having 300 bones. Now look students, parts of skeleton. Basically there are 4 parts that we are seen over here. Number 1, skull. Skull. Second one, backbone. This one, vertebral column. Vertebral column also known as backbone, or it is also known as spine. Because there is vertebral column, bones of the vertebral column are hollow. एक दूसरे बीच में ऐसे अरेंज होती है. These are hollow like this one. They having gap, and through this gap the spinal cord passes. Through this gap a spinal cord passes. So it is known as spine. Next one, rib cage. Rib cage, chest part. Limb bones, hand bones and leg bones. Now look over here. Skull. Skull is made up of basically 22 bones. Skull made up of 22 bones. 22 bones, and out of these 22 bones, 14 bones are present in lower side, 8 bones are present at upper side. Upper side form the brain box, upper side form the brain box, lower side they form the face. Face is made up of how many bones? 14 bones. About 14 bones make our face. Only all the bones, skull bones, are immovable. Immovable means they can't move. They can't move. Immovable bones. They can't move. But this is the lower jaw. Lower jaw bones can move. Only skull bone which can move is the lower jaw. Is the lower jaw. Got it? It is used to chewing the food, speaking also. Now vertebral column. Vertebral column is also known as spine, and the vertebral column, bones of the vertebral column are known as vertebrae. Bones of the vertebral column are vertebrae. And there are 33 vertebrae present in our body. How many body? Vertebrae? 33. They join with one another, make the body flexible. We can move upside, we can bend our body due to the vertebral column. It is flexible. This one, this one. Between two vertebrae, like this. This is the pad, elastic pad, and this elastic pad between two vertebrae. This elastic pad between two vertebrae. It provides movement. Due to this, they can move. Bones are hard structures. They can't move. If they move, they will bend. They will broken down. ज़्यादा जोर लगाए टूट जाएंगे. But between the bones, there is the elastic pads. They provide movement to our body, to our vertebral column. That's why we can move our vertebral column. Sometimes the vertebrae can displace, and can displace known as इट इज नोन एज स्लिप डिस्क। क्या कहते हैं? स्लिप डिस्क। और जब स्लिप डिस्क हो जाती है तो फिर सीधे ही पड़े रहना पड़ता ऐसा पूरा का पूरा। दे कांट मूव, दे कांट चेंज देयर पोजिशन। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, rib cage. This is our chest portion, and this chest portion, it is guarded by the special bones, special flat bones. These special flat bones, like this. This special flat bones join at once in the with the vertebral column. यहाँ से टच करके देखो, जैसे यहाँ तक आ गए, यहाँ पर there is a single bone. This is the chest bone. This is called as chest bone. This is the chest bone. यहां से स्टार्ट हुई यहां तक कितनी है? इस साइड में कितनी है? 12. इस साइड में कितनी है? 12. So these are vertebrae like this. These are vertebrae like this. How many vertebrae are there? टोटल 24. 12 इस साइड पर, 12 इस साइड. That's why we call it 12 pair. These vertebrae provide protection to the heart, to the lungs. Got it? Now limb bones, hand and legs. These are made up of limb bones.